If you think it's too late to learn AI in 2026 or that you need to be a genius to enter this field, you're completely mistaken. In this video, you'll see a complete and practical roadmap that starts from absolute zero and takes you step by step to a professional level in AI. Let me tell you something important right from the start. You do not need to be a genius to enter the world of AI, nor do you need a PhD in computer science or even to be a professional programmer. Most people making money in AI today started with simple tools and gradually built more advanced skills over time. So if you're a beginner, you're exactly in the right place. But there's one issue: most people don't know where to start, which often leads them to get lost among hundreds of courses and videos. To solve this problem, we've divided the journey into 7 simple stages. So stay with me until the end of the video. Stage 1: Getting to know AI. At this stage, you need to know what AI is. Artificial intelligence is a collection of systems and programs that can perform tasks that previously only humans could do, such as writing text, generating images, translating languages, answering questions, analyzing data, and even writing code. But here's an important point. Most people use the tools, but they don't use them correctly. So first, you need to understand the concepts. That means you should know: what is machine learning? What is deep learning? What is generative AI? What is a language model? You don't need to dive into complex details. You just need to have a general picture in your mind. Now that you understand what AI is, it's time to move on. Many people avoid the second stage, but if you approach it the right way, it's easier than it seems. Stage 2: the foundations. The second stage is building the foundation. But before anything else, let's get rid of a common misconception. Many people think you need to be a math genius to learn AI. The reality is that most people working in AI today were not math experts on day one. You only need to learn a few core concepts to understand how models work. First, linear algebra, to know how models think. Second, calculus, to know how models learn. Third, statistics and probability, to know how confident a model is. Once you understand these concepts, suddenly many of the things you see on the internet will start to make sense. Stage 3: Python learning. Python is just a simple language that helps you talk to computers and build AI tools. The good news is that you don't need to learn everything. Just learn the basics, like variables means boxes where you store information. Loops means telling the computer to repeat something again and again. Conditions means making decisions. Functions like small reusable instructions you can use anytime. You'll also use NumPy helps you work with numbers, and Pandas helps you work with data, like Excel tables. That's it, just the basics you actually need to start AI. Stage 4: Machine learning. Now let's talk about the place where computers start learning. So what does machine learning mean? It means a computer learns from examples instead of being told every single step. A simple example is Gmail. It learns from emails that people marked as spam. Then, when a new email arrives, Gmail looks for similar signs and decides if it should go into the spam folder. Netflix works in a similar way. It looks at the movies and shows you watch, then suggests other ones you may like. That is machine learning, a computer learning from examples so it can make better guesses. So, what should you understand about machine learning? There are 3 simple ways a computer can learn. First, it can learn from examples that already have the correct answer. Second, it can look at information and find patterns by itself. Third, it can learn by trying, making mistakes, and improving over time. You do not need to memorize these technical names right now. Just remember this: machine learning means a computer learns from examples, patterns, and experience. There are also tools people use to build machine learning systems, but you do not need to learn those tools unless you want to become an AI developer. In the next stage, we will see what made modern AI much more powerful. Stage 5: Deep learning and modern tools. Now, let's talk about deep learning, the technology behind AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. Deep learning is a way of teaching a computer by showing it lots of examples instead of giving it a long list of rules. For example, If you show a computer thousands of pictures of cats and dogs, it starts to notice patterns like ears, tails, and faces. After enough practice, it can tell whether a new picture is a cat or a dog. In the same way, AI models like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude learn from billions of words. This helps them understand language and generate human-like responses. If you're learning AI in 2026, focus on these key skills. Prompt engineering, which is learning how to ask AI the right questions. RAG, which helps AI use reliable external information. And AI agents, which allow AI to complete tasks automatically. Fine-tuning and ML ops come later as advanced steps. Don't worry about learning everything at once. Start with these key skills and you'll build a strong foundation in AI. Stage 6, Generative AI and LLMs. Now we come to one of the most exciting parts of AI, generative AI. It powers tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, and it's one of the most useful skills to learn in 2026. At this stage, the goal is simple. Learn how to use these tools effectively. The first skill is prompt engineering. This just means learning how to ask AI clear and specific questions so you get better answers. For example, if you say, "Write something about sports," the answer will be very general. But if you say, "You are a fitness coach, create a 4-week beginner workout plan," the answer becomes much more useful. Next is AI agents. Think of them as smart assistants that don't just answer questions. They can also do tasks for you automatically. You may also hear about RAG. In simple terms, it means giving AI access to trusted information like documents or data, so its answers are more accurate. These skills are in high demand because companies use them to build smarter tools and automate work. After learning this, you can explore careers like prompt engineer, AI automation specialist, or machine learning engineer. And that's why building real projects is so important. It's the best way to prove your skills. Now, the real question is, how do you show your skills in the real world? Stage 7. Build a portfolio, don't just learn. The 7th and final stage is building projects. Nobody learns how to drive by watching videos. They have to get behind the wheel. AI is the same. Nobody will ask you, "What did you study?" They will ask, "What did you build?" Here are some simple project ideas you add to your portfolio. Build a simple AI chatbot. Create an app that can recognize images. Build a movie recommendation system like Netflix. Create a tool that can tell whether a review is positive or negative. Once you finish your projects, upload them to GitHub. Think of it as your online portfolio where employers can see your work. You can also join AI competitions on Kaggle. It's a great way to practice, learn from others, and improve your skills. Remember, every project teaches you something that no course ever can. And if you're wondering whether all this effort is really worth it, the answer lies in what the next few years will bring. Why 2026 is an important year to learn AI. Here is the truth. According to a 2025 report from the World Economic Forum, AI may replace or transform more than 85 million jobs by 2030, but it may also create around 97 million new jobs. Here is the important part. Many of these new jobs will go to people who know how to use AI. So, which side do you want to be on? The good news is that you still have time to prepare, and now you know exactly where to start. If you spend just 1 to 2 hours a day learning, you can build a solid AI foundation in about 6 to 9 months. The key isn't learning fast, it's staying consistent. Let's quickly review the roadmap. First, start with the basic concepts of AI, then learn Python. After that, move on to machine learning. Next, learn deep learning, then explore generative AI tools like ChatGPT, and finally, practice everything by building real projects. That's it. Step by step, this path will take you into the world of AI. Follow these steps one by one, and AI will become much easier to understand. Remember, every AI expert was once a beginner. The only difference is that they started and kept going. So start today, stay consistent, and a few months from now, you'll be surprised by how much you've learned.